Hey everyone, how's it going out there? I thought I would share something interesting that I've seen pop up this year, something that I haven't seen before in the rental marketplace: rent default insurance. So, what does that mean? It means that there's companies now offering insurance that in case your tenants don't pay, these companies will step up and pay you. So, for an example, I have a property where the rent is $13.75 a month, so you can buy coverage that if you have your tenant doesn't pay, there's an eviction going on, they'll cover 2 months of rent, which is 2750, 1375 times two, 2750. That costs you $380 a year for that insurance policy. So if you divide that by 12 months, that's $31 a month. So you can technically price this into your rent, have your tenants pay for this insurance, and sort of have a guaranteed rent scenario. Then there's different scenarios. If you want 3 months of your rent paid, it jumps to 439. 4 months of your rent paid. But I think the best option is 2 or 3 months. That gives you time to do an eviction, to turn the unit, and not lose any money. Thought it was something interesting I found out and thought I would share it with you guys. Let me know what you think.